It's my privilege at this time to yield to the gentleman from Washington State, Mr. Inslee, who worked successfully with members representing disparate interests in different parts of the country to find workable solutions that helped lead to the consensus product we have today. I yield to him a minute and a half.
Gentleman from Washington is recognized for a minute and a half.
Madam Speaker, this bill renews some basic American values of confidence in ourselves, optimism about our future, and a can-do spirit. We support this bill because we believe Americans still have the right stuff that we had in the 60s when we went to the moon. And this bill calls forward Americans' future to get off of foreign oil, to put millions of people to work in clean technology, and to give our grandkids a chance at a future with a decent atmosphere like we grew up with. The people who are against this bill, I urge them to avoid the pessimism and the lack of imagination that I've heard on the floor of this. Now, will this have some investment cost? Yes. And what is the best assessment of that cost? It is the Congressional Budget Office, a nonpartisan group that Republicans typically rely upon. And what have they said? They said this will cost a typical family of four 47 cents, the cost a little more than a stamp. Will we pay the cost of a stamp to get rid of 5 million barrels of oil a day from the Mideast? You bet we will, and this bill will do it. Will we pay a stamp to give our grandkids a future of an environment that's not going to destroy their health? You bet we will. Will we pay a stamp to give people at the Bright Source Company a chance? You bet we will. We're going to put a stamp on America's future for the price of a stamp. It's a good deal for our future.